Pooja here, your guide in this wonderful journey of maths. Today I am back with the shortcut method to solve quadratic equation type 2. How to solve equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 so quickly. Before watching this video, please watch type 1. Now look at this question. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. I hope all of you know how to solve this using splitting up of middle terms. What is the first step? We have to find out two numbers whose product is 9 2s are minus 18 and sum is equal to minus 3. I will solve this first using splitting up of middle terms, then using shortcut method. Okay. Now for splitting up of middle terms, we have to find out two numbers whose product is 9 into minus 2, that is minus 18, and sum is equal to minus 3. So we have to find out the factors of 18 which satisfies both the conditions. So 1 into 18, 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. Sum minus 3, product minus 18, so the numbers are minus 6 and 3. So using splitting up of middle terms, we will write it like this: 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Now take the common factor. It is 3x. 3x into 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again take the common factor, that is 3x minus 2. So this is 3x minus 2 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 by 3, or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the actual process of splitting up of middle terms. Instead of writing all these steps, we are going to write the answer directly with the help of shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? The first step is the same. We have to find out two numbers whose product is minus 18 and sum is minus 3. So the numbers are minus 6 and plus 3. Just put x here, x minus 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is not completed. Now divide the constant using the coefficient of x square. Divide the constant using coefficient of x square. Now this is x minus 6 by 9 into x plus 3 by 9 is equal to 0. Cancelling common factor, we get x is equal to 2 by 3 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Look here, isn't it very simple? Just find the numbers like this before. Write it as it is, x minus 6 into x plus 3. It is not completed. Divide the constant term using the coefficient of x square. We will get the answer. Let us practice some more questions. Look at this question. 9x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the first step? You have to find out two numbers whose product is 9 into minus 2, that is minus 18, and sum is equal to 3. Factorize 18, 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. Which pair of factors satisfies this condition? 3 and 6 means x plus 6 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. It is not completed. We have to divide the constant using the coefficient of x square. So x plus 6 by 9 plus x minus 3 by 9 is equal to 0. After cancelling the common factors, we get the values of x as x is equal to 2 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3, or x is equal to 1 by 3. Now the next question, 9x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again same, product is equal to 18 and sum this times is equal to 9. Which pair satisfies the condition? Again 3, 6, plus 3 and plus 6. 3, 6 are 18, 3 plus 6, 9. So which pair satisfies the condition? Again 3 and 6. Write x plus 3, x plus 6, is it completed? No. Because, no, we have to divide it using the coefficient of x square. That is x plus 3 by 9, x plus 6 by 9 is equal to 0. So what are the possible values of x? X is equal to, after cancelling the common factors, minus 1 by 3 or x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now look at question number 3. 3x square minus 11x plus 10 is equal to 0. Again we have to find out two numbers whose product is 3 into 10, 30 and sum is equal to minus 11. What are the factors of 30? 31 is 30, 2 into 15, 30, 5, 6 are 30. Which pair satisfies these two conditions? 5 and 6. That is x minus 5 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to divide the constant using the coefficient of x square, that is 3, x minus 5 by 3, x minus 6 by 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 5 by 3 or x is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Now question number 4. Again ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Product is equal to 12 and sum is equal to 7. What are the two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is 7? Factors 1, 12, 2, 6 are 12, 3, 4s are 12. So which pair satisfies the condition? 3 and 4, isn't it? So we can write it as x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 0 since sum is plus 7, plus 3 plus 4. It is not completed. We have to divide it using the coefficient of x square. Divide the constant of. What is the coefficient of x square? 6. So x plus 3 by 6 into x plus 4 by 6 is equal to 0. So what are the values of x? X is equal to minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 by 2, or x is equal to minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. Now look at the last set of questions. Root 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. We have to solve this. Again we have to find out two numbers whose product is root 3 into 7 root 3. What is that? Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 3 7s are 21. Product is equal to 21 and sum is equal to 10. So what are the factors of 21? 1, 21. 3 7s are 21. Which pair satisfies both the condition? 3 and 7. Means we can write it as x plus 3 into x plus 7. Now what is the next step? We have to divide the constant using the coefficient of x square. That is x plus 3 by root 3 into x plus 7 by root 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 by root 3, that is minus root 3, or x is equal to minus 7 upon root 3. Now look at the last question. Solve 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Again this form. So we have to find out two numbers whose product is equal to 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Minus 24. and sum is equal to 5. So factorize 24 to find the pair. 1 24, 2 12, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. Which pair satisfies the condition? Of course 3 and 8. Means we can write it as x plus 8 into x plus 3. Not completed, we have to divide it using the coefficient of x square by 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 8 upon 4 root 3. Cancelling 4 we get minus 2 by root 3. Next x is equal to minus 3 by 4 root 3. Cancelling root 3 we get minus root 3 by 4. I hope all of you like this trick. Keep practicing. I will be back with more tricks. Till then, bye.